Hi, this is Leanne at Complete Payroll. Welcome to Payroll Country. Today we're going to take a look at employee tax withholding overrides in Evolution Classic. From the Employee Browse tab, I'll select the employee that I want to override taxes for. I'll begin on the Employee Entry tab to verify that their regular taxation details are correct for federal marital status, federal dependents, state marital status, and state dependents. We can then override employee taxes for federal or state for an additional amount or an additional percentage, depending on how they've requested. We'll start on the Federal tab. Here I have the window Override Fed Tax Type, which currently defaults to none. I have a drop-down where I can select a regular amount or a regular percent, which will override the general tax table and only take the amount that I put in. Or I can do an additional amount, an additional percent. This will withhold an additional amount to the regular tax table withholdings. For this employee, I'm going to select additional amount, and I'm going to select $10 as the additional weekly federal taxes to be withheld by entering in 10 in the Override Fed Tax Value window. I'll click on the green check mark and the green small check mark to commit my changes. You will also notice there are buttons indicating changes to employee federal and OASDI and Medicare taxes, changing them from either including to blocking or exempt. If you feel that you need to make these changes, please contact your CSR and they will follow the appropriate procedures. Standard users will not have the rights to make these changes. To do an override for state taxes, I'm going to click on the employee button on the left and now find states in my menu. Here I will find an overrides tab, and this is going to look similar to the federal overrides. Again, I have my override state tax type with the default of none, and I can select between regular amount, regular percent, additional amount, and additional percent. For our example, we'll do another additional amount. This time I'm going to do an additional $5 by entering a 5 in the Override State Tax Value window and clicking on the check marks to commit my change. You'll see there is a section here for buttons to include, block, or exempt state, SDI, and SUI. Again, just like in federal, your standard access will not allow you to make changes here, so please contact your customer service rep and they will follow the appropriate procedure. This concludes our look at federal and state taxation overrides. For further demonstration of employee maintenance items, please check out our video library at CompletePayroll.com. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.